Live, KHOU 11 News at 10 starts now.
The ground all around me was collapsing towards me, and I was being sucked down.
Tonight, a local woman's story of survival after falling into a water-filled sinkhole.
You have probably seen this video out of Florida. A man killed there after that sinkhole gave way. Crews had to demolish the home that sat atop of that. Tonight, a local woman has her own story of surviving a sinkhole. She talked to Rux Russell about the experience that has left her scarred.
Well, it's kind of in this area here.
It's her first time returning to the place.
I came this way, straight off the patio,
where a year and a half ago she nearly lost her life, her neighbor's backyard.
We knew this is where it was originating from, but we didn't realize it was, as bad as it was.
This is what seemed so bad that morning, shin-high water that had Terry Vernon and her neighbors calling the water company for help.
Numerous times I called them.
She says no one ever came out, not even when they called to report the water appeared to be bubbling up.
I mean, everything was grass. I mean, there were bubbles, but it was grass.
Or so she thought.
It was like I stepped off the roof. Instantly, I went to my shoulders, and I was being sucked down. It was like quicksand on the bottom.
She reached up her hand. Vernon's neighbor held on tight.
I started walking backwards slowly and pulled me out.
Just imagine what this must have seemed like. You're walking along on what looks like solid ground when suddenly one small step leads to one great and unexpected plunge. The sinkhole was 8 feet deep and 10 feet wide. Vernon suffered injuries to her neck, shoulder, and knee.
Try to not think about it and try to put it away, but you actually really think about it, it's tough.
An attorney has filed a lawsuit accusing Southwest Water Company of negligence for failing to warn Vernon and her neighbors of the potential threat of a sinkhole.
Clearly this was an emergency situation. They got multiple phone calls from my client, from the neighbors, and they basically said, call a plumber.
Citing the pending litigation, a water company spokesperson refused to comment.
It's leaving me buried alive. It's just horrible.
About an accident one victim can't help but relive. Rux Russell, KHOU 11 News.